welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a slime video. Today we're going to be using wonderful slime, and yep, I've only got one today to see how it goes. But if it goes well, then we'll get 2 fluffy slimes and see how it is. So, and I'll put the link in the description below. And also, remember to subscribe and like, and if we can get this to 10,000 likes, that'll be an achievement for me. So let's get right into it. Here it is. Wonderful slime. Yeah, so first we open it. First we open the bag, and yeah, you get the activator, which you put in hot water with cold water, and then yeah, you pour it into slime. But yeah, powder. What? So the activator, if you don't know what it does, it makes your slime into slime, because at the beginning it will be all sticky, horrible, mashed up stuff. But then when you add this, it's slime. Now, I'm going to just put this to the side. Now we've got the slime that's got hearts inside that you can see it's scattered around. So yeah, let's show you guys. Put the bag in there. Oh god. So I got this at the first day of summer, and I added the activator, and I've not played with it since, and now it's October the 6th, and yeah, and now I need to open it. I just love that song that my dad sang. So it looks like bubblegum, marshmallows actually. Or you can, let's smell it if I can get into it. And it smells like bubblegum, but like, yeah, and it makes your hand smell like it, and it nearly dropped on the floor. You can mould it into anything like, oh, bubble. You can mould it into a circle. You can just make it a pancake. I'm going my leg, ow. Pancake, a frying pan. And yeah, anything like your imagination wants. But, and yeah, as you can see, let's do the stretch test of the day. And let's do it. Start the Instagram swirl, but I did not do an Instagram swirl. Okay, then let's try and see how it falls from this guy. You can barely see me. It looks like chewing gum if I don't eat it. Because this is not chewing gum, I swear. Look, I'll show you the bubbles. Can you see it? It's gone. This camera. So, oh god. So let's just play with it quick before this video ends. So you can get lots of different slime. I just got the white one to explain it. And there's different colours, like pink, purple, glossy slime, butter slime, and they can smell. You can get foam balls in it. And I've got little love hearts, if I can get one out to show you. And there's glow in the dark. Any kinds of slime. Look, right now I've got a love heart that you barely can see on this camera. And I'll see you tomorrow. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you in my next slime reveal. Let's just listen to the click. And let's just put it back in the pot quickly. And then we'll end this video.